As you can see, I cut my YouTube video without downloading, or how you can do the same, just watch this video. Welcome to tutorials.globally.com. First go to YouTube and follow along with me. Go to Content and select the video which you want to cut the part of. As you can see, there are many options available, but go to Trim and Cut setting. Now from here, you need to adjust the setting according to your need. If you want to trim any part of the video, just click on Add Cut. Now select the part which you want to trim. The selected part will not be visible to our video further, as you can see in the timeline. Here it is skipping the trimmed part. Similarly, if you want to trim video from multiple times, just add New Cut. Adjust it accordingly. Now, save video, and this is how you can cut or trim YT video. For more easy-to-understand tutorials, you can visit tutorials.globally.com.